Hello YouTube. I have this Echo PB-200 leaf blower and it won't stay running. Right here I have a carburetor, Chinese, like a couple dollars on eBay. And this one right here, if you push the button, I don't know if you can see, but get a little squirt of gas coming out of that diaphragm. So I'm gonna replace the carburetor on this. So first thing that needs to be done is take this here loose. Okay, there's the air filter. A little bit dirty, but it's a leaf blower, so it doesn't really matter. And then take these two screws loose. Okay, there's that. All right, there's those. Okay, and the whole carburetor looks like it's coming off, so get these out of here. Okay, there's that. And there's also the choke, which is not super scientific, just a little flapper. So no problem with that. Alright, so here's this. Looks like there's a little arm on there. So there's that. Lost the gasket, which I'll just clean that off with a little bit of brake cleaner, a rag. So here's this guy. One fuel line here. Let's just tuck that right there. That's the crooked one. The straight one. Okay, so there's that. Okay, so make sure this is the same carburetor. Okay. So set that like that. Looks good to me. It's a leaf blower. Not too much difference in these things, I'm sure. Okay, so put this hose back here. A little bit of gas spilling out. Okay. So there's that. That. Let's just test it real quick, see if this thing pumps up. Okay, so yeah, see how it pumped up like that? So that's good. It works a little bit. So now it's like she's gotta figure out how to get that guy back on there. Left-handed, so gotta do it with my right hand, not my left. Okay, so there's that. I'm pretty sure it goes just like that. And put the screw in there. Other screw. There you go. Okay, so there's that. That's on there, kind of. Just make sure this works. Throttle. So once I tighten it down, I know that'll work. Oh wait, forgot the gasket. Nothing quite like doing it twice, right? Okay. Okay, so got this. How about accuracy? There's that. Got this, put the towel here. Don't need more, it's pretty flat. Okay, well, that's better than nothing, I suppose. I mean, it's not new. Slide that over here, kind of line up the witness marks the way it was. So this guy goes on here. That. Oh, forgot one thing. Oh, forgot the gasket and then this, so. You know. Who's counting though? There's that. Always start them both. Make sure they're gonna tighten up all the way down, nice and easy, before you give it too much. Okay, there's that. Air filter, dirty side goes out. There. Oh, losing it. If I set it down, that guy will stay. No, it's not gonna stay. Okay. So that, nice and, well, it doesn't need to be that tight, really. The gasket's pretty squishy on those, so you don't need to wrench down on it. So there's that, and I don't know if you can tell, but that bolt, or that primer is way better looking. And there's no squirts coming out of there. So now, give it a little choke. Hopefully it has a decent enough bass tune, I guess you could say, on that carburetor outside. Now this switch is backwards, so it says stop that way right there, and then if you come over here it says stop that direction. So as you can see, there's a little bit of discrepancy. So the orange one is the one you need to pay attention to. So it's not stopped. Choke is on, and let's see if it'll start. That was the second pull. All right, without the choke, let's try it. Okay, so it's not perfect, but as you can see, those Chinese carburetors from eBay, they work pretty good, and you can put them on in about 10 minutes. Thanks for watching. Okay, so just little update. I had to back this screw out about 1 full turn, and now it is a lot better.